So yeah, this morning I clobbered a deer on my way to work with this. If I had been going faster, the deer would have probably ran into the side of the car and like either hit the door or the rear quarter panel, and then I would have been like ultra mad. But luckily I just clipped his back leg with the front of the car, and he just like, you know, flung up into the grass, and I didn't even stop right away. I stopped, you know, about a half mile down the road so I could check the car out, make sure I wasn't leaking any fluid. I think the worst part about this is that these depo projector headlights aren't in production anymore. I have a couple friends that say they have some, so I might see if they want to sell them for like a Jerry price. But anyway, yeah, I gotta drive this to work tomorrow and the rest of the weekend and stuff, so I'm gonna go home and probably pillage the headlights off of my wife's car, and then I gotta pull the core support out some. I'll be honest, I haven't popped the hood yet. I don't know what under here looks like. I'm afraid that if I pop the hood, I won't get it shut. So it's not leaking anything, so I didn't do it yet. Man, I'm really upset about this. I'm like pretty distraught. I'm not like pissed. All right, I'm pissed about it, but I'm not like, it could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse. I could have ended up off the road. He could have ended up coming through the windshield. Like, it could have been way worse. All right, I just got home. So let's go inspect the damage up here. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, it honestly just looks like the headlight took all the damage. The headlight and the bumper. All right, so the hood definitely took some of the hit. And then, okay. So that's busted off. That's busted out of it. That's pushed a little, but it's not really that bad. Zoom. See where some of the paint's missing there. It's kind of indicative of it being bent. So I might wrap a little rope around here and give it a little pull. Just try and get it. Oh, well. Here, let's man, this is really bad. But let's well, that's already somewhat back into shape there. And this stuff, it doesn't look that bad, but I don't really know. It's gonna be fun. Oh, great. Snap that one off. Snap that one off. Awesome. That's really annoying. Well, I guess I'll see if I can get some channel locks on these and move them, and if not, I'm going to try and torch them. And if that doesn't work, then I'm going to bust them out and use bolts and nuts. Alright kids, here's what I got. I got some WD-40, but it's actually just white lithium grease. I got a MAP gas torch, and I got purified drinking water that's actually some ATF and some mineral spirits. Now I've actually had some mixed success making my own rust penetrant. Usually I'll use acetone and ATF and it works pretty well, but I don't have any acetone on hand, but I had mineral spirits in the garage, so I'm going to try using that. As far as I know, white lithium grease does not creep at all, so I don't think this is going to help much. When I mix up usually my acetone, but this is the mineral spirits, I'll just take a water bottle and poke a little hole in the cap so I can kind of direct it once I figure out which way it's going to go. that one dribbled everywhere. Usually if I poke a hole, it'll make a stream. Nope. Nope. Alright. I'll let this creep for a minute and then I'm gonna hit it with some heat after I wipe it down. Well, I've already torched the paint here, so I got that going for me. Rain's coming on strong, so that's good. I'm gonna be in a great fucking mood. Well, I switched to the GoPro because it's a little more weather resistant than my other camera. Weather's not on my side tonight, so I torched that, got that out. I'm gonna torch. That looks great. A lot of cursing later and I got the damn thing out. Look at this. Oh, what a pain, dude. Ugh. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Not quite. This looks so bad. It's so crinkled right through here. Maybe if I had a mallet, I could massage it a little bit or something. So what'll... I don't think that looks much better. I'm really just trying to straighten it out enough so if I put this other headlight in here, it doesn't get more messed up. Yeah, I'll just... Ah, that did that. Right in here. That's it. Ooh. If this was anything that I cared about, I would not be doing this. Hell, that ain't too bad. Crazy with the... Push that back. There's a little spike that sticks out the back of these that needs to... Oh, dang it. I don't know how well it's showing up, but the inner fender is actually crinkled just a little bit. It's pushed down, and when it got pushed down, it pushed this in, and that is causing the issue with the headlight not wanting to sit back in there. So I'm going to pull it up. Oh no, the bolts I'm worried about. There we go. That actually, it's starting to look like it's going to line up a hair better than it did before. Where's my bolts? This side's mostly back together. Got this turn signal that the inside isn't reflective anymore. All the reflective coatings come out of it. So it looks like garbage, but it'll at least hold a turn signal. Oh, it's because it's broken, that's why. That's why there's only one screw on this side. So when I took these out of the parts car, not the parts car, my wife's car, that I still have to put back together. There was only one screw in there, and I didn't know why. And I was like, oh, I must have scavenged it for another car or something. No, it's stripped. Yeah, let's throw the light out. I didn't move this bulb, so that's just how it is. I got it done. Thanks for watching me do body work with a dead blow hammer, because that's always fun. But yeah, this is kind of how it turned out. It's I mean, I would have been mad if I bought the car in this shape, but I'm mad that it was in better shape. And now it looks like this, but there's not much I can do about it. So I'm just gonna accept it for now. Come the spring, I'll get another hood, probably replace the fenders, and I really want to paint this. I've never done paint or body work before, so it would be a new experience for me. But anyway, I got it back on the road. I think the next thing I'm gonna really attempt to do is take the headlights apart, because I need to fix that reflector, and the turn signals kind of look like crap, so those need to be addressed. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. If you stuck around this long, that's cool. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, it's just, I enjoy doing crap like this, and I'm gonna keep doing it. An hour a day will keep the jack stands away, but you know, sometimes you gotta call it a night so you can go inside and get some hot homemade soup. So, anyway, thanks.